Kali Linux, as you can see, is one of the best softwares that we have. The operating systems, multiple desktops that we can use, applications for information gathering, for vulnerability analysis, web application analysis, database, password attacks, wireless attacks, reverse engineer, exploitation tools, staffing, sniping, spoofing, post-exploitation, forensics, reporting tools. As well, we have here, as you can see, it's normal on Windows. We have our folders, and at the bottom we have like a dot, like if we're using Mac. Simple as that. As you can see, it has a lot of applications. And the browser, which is Firefox, a bunch of applications. This is for forensic exploitation and hacking, as well for security. Hope you liked the video. Thank you. Good day, everyone. On this video, we'll learn how to install Kali Linux. Kali Linux is one of my favorites operating system. We can try pen testing and we can search the network environment. Let me show you how. In order to download the ISO for this, simply go to Kali Linux here website, kali.org, get Kali. Going to put it on the description below and go to installer images. Then it will give you these three options: 64 bits, 32, and I'm going to here download on this link here, and it will automatically give you the option to install. Going to download here. Now that we have the ISO download, the last version, we go to VirtualBox and then we create a machine here, Kali Linux for the last one, and then click on next. Make sure to select the amount that you want to use, then create. Next, going to put here as 20, create, and go to settings. Display until the end, storage. Omnap, leave it as default. Then go to OK. Then we start the machine. And it will ask you to install the graphical, and then you click enter. Choose the language that you want. Go to continue here. Kali Linux is one of the most powerful operating systems because it's for people that wants to test the security of every environment, network environment, system, pen testing. Now we're going to put a host name here. I'm going to leave it as Kali. No, let me change it. I'm going to put user1. Continue. Domain, leave it as default. Full name for the user, practice1. Continue. We're going to put our password here. Then select the one that you want to include there, Pacific. Continue. Let me explain on this part what to do. We're going to select the guide, use entire disk, continue, then continue. All files in one partition, continue. And then it will ask you to finish here, continue. Then click yes, continue. The installation will continue right now. We're going to pause the video here, then we're going to continue later. We are almost at the last part of the installation. We're going to wait here and it's configuring everything. For this one, I do recommend to select this part here and then continue. On this part, we'll ask you for this, then continue. While the installation continues, let me tell you that Kali Linux is mainly used for advanced penetration testing and security auditing. Kali contains several hundred tools which are geared towards various information security tasks, such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensics, and reverse engineer. The Kali Linux name that I used to have in the past was Backtrack. Kali Linux advertises itself as more polished successor with more testing-centric tools, unlike Backtrack, which had multiple tools that will serve the same purpose, in turn making jam-packed with necessary utilities. This makes ethical hacking using Kali Linux a simplified task. Why use Kali Linux? As free as it can get, Kali Linux has been and will always be free to use. More tools that you can think of? Yes, comes with over 600 different penetration testing and security analytic related tools. Multi-language support. Although penetration tools tend to be written in English, it has been ensured that Kali includes through multi-language support. And completely customizable. The developer at Offensive Security understand that everyone will agree with their design model, so they have made it easy as possible for more adventurous users to customize Kali Linux on their liking all the way down to the kernel. It's installing the GRUV bootloader. Then we click on continue here. Click on this part. Make sure to select this one. Continue. It takes a lot of minutes, but we have to be patient. Once it has finished, it will give you this message, and we are going to reboot our machine. Continue. Then enter your password. Once you have entered your password, and that's it. As you can see here, we finally made it at the end. And this is our Kali Linux system. Now, let me check with the terminal here. We're going to check for the latest update. We're going to check for the latest update here. Okay, it's running properly. We go to the following website, kali.org, VirtualGhost Guest. We copy this one here, and it automatically starts to install all the missing packages for VirtualBox. I'm going to leave the link on the description below so you can have it. To click no, make sure to click no, right? And that's it. We finally made it at the end of the video. We already installed the Virtual Guest Editions. We already installed the last updates, and everything is running properly. I hope you liked the video, and if you like, please subscribe. Thank you.